What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review we have an electric bug zapper, well, electric fly zapper. It will zap flies, but also any other bugs that will probably get to it. Now this thing says it has, like, what it says, 3 layers of safety mesh. I don't know if that mean anything to y'all, but every time I had one of these, whether it's being from like the shelf in the store or something, you just see it laying around, you want to pick it up, I never actually touched the mesh. I don't think I ever will touch the mesh. Not for YouTube. I won't do that for views. For views, I will show y'all how this thing operates, and I will show you how it works. I will try to leave it on the inside of the house like I do my other indoor zappers. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing. This is 4,000 volts of power. Yeah, that's pretty powerful for one of these little fly zappers. The fly zappers are not usually that powerful, not the little cheap ones from the stores or whatever. This one will be a little different, and also the other ones from the stores that I had was battery powered. This is USB powered, and I believe USB, let me see. Oh, it has a charging station. Okay, duh. You can see that in the description. So this will be USB, the micro USB. I don't know if that mean anything to y'all or not, but micro USB. This is made in China. If you have an issue with something being made in China, then you might as well get rid of most of your items in your house, because I'm guaranteed it's not made in America, most of the items in your house. And if it is, salute to you for finding a whole bunch of stuff that was made in America. Right here, we have the charging base. We have the fly swatter, or the electric fly zapper. Let me see if it have any juice. It has all green lights on, and I'm not going to test it for y'all. Okay, so it is on. All right, I'll figure that out later. Let's go ahead and open this. Hold on, you guys, give me 1 second. Gotta pick up my trash. It's kind of windy out here today. All right. Gets plugged in just like this. Little charging station. This is pretty cool, you guys. Never had a fly zapper like this. Now, for the fly activists out there, I know you're probably gonna be like, oh, you're killing the flies and you're destroying the ecosystem. Well, sorry, I apologize, you guys, but the flies and bugs are not allowed in the house or in the square footage circumference of my house. So, all right, let me go ahead, put this inside the house and let it charge up and see how this thing works. All right, you guys, so here's the end saga of the fly zapper, and you see all the little gnats. This thing zaps gnats like crazy, you guys. So we keep it here near the sink, we keep it in the plant area, and this thing works amazingly. I did turn this one off and I turned that one off just to test this out by itself, and it passed with flying colors. And that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe.